OnePlus 9 Pro. So in this video I will explain each and every single feature of this mobile. So let's start with the display size. This OnePlus 9 Pro mobile comes with a 6.78 inches of fluid AMOLED curved display, and it is a 120Hz refresh rate display which was protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 6, that is a Victus, and it is a Quad HD plus resolution display, and it is also supports Quad HD plus 128 Hz refresh rate. And when we talk about the processor, yeah, this mobile comes with a no doubtedly Qualcomm's latest processor, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon triplet processor, which is a 5nm base processor, and it is an octa-core processor clocked at 3.1 GHz, and this is a 5G processor also. And when we talk about the variants, yeah, this mobile will be available in 3 variants mostly. Those are 8GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, and also 8GB RAM, 256GB internal storage, and also 12GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage. That is a top end variant. And unfortunately we will not get an expandable memory slot with this mobile because yeah, it's a flagship. We cannot expect the expandable memory in this 2021. And when we talk about the cameras, yeah, this is the major section that we are waiting to see a major improvements. Yeah, according to that, this mobile comes with a Hasselblad camera setup. That is a this mobile comes with a quad rear cameras where we can find 64 megapixels of main wide angle camera and 16 megapixels of secondary wide and 12 megapixels of third telephoto zoom camera and 2 megapixels of fourth camera. And there are also rumors like this mobile can also supports 8K 30 FPS video recording also. And this mobile comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. Yeah, we are getting rid of 16 megapixels of front facing selfie camera from these OnePlus mobiles. And it also supports 1080p 4K 60 FPS. And this mobile also comes with a bigger battery according to the rumors. This may be vary between 4500 to 5000 milliampere of battery, but this is confirmed that this mobile comes with a 65 watts of super fast charging technology. And this mobile also comes with the latest features like this mobile comes with a ultrasonic fingerprint scanner with the Gen 2, same as the S21 Ultra fingerprint scanners. And this mobile also comes with a stereo speakers, and there are also rumors like this mobile also got the 3.5mm jack also. And this mobile also comes with a glass back and metal frame, and this mobile's weight will be around 210 grams, so it's not heavy. And when we talk about the operating system, this mobile runs on Android version 11 and Oxygen OS 11 out of the box. So yeah, we'll also get a power adapter and also cable and also earphones with the box included in the mobile, with the mobile included in the box. So yeah, these are the major important features of this mobile. And when we talk about the colors, this mobile will be available in 3 to 4 colors. I don't know exact colors. I will leave the colors in the description box down below. And this mobile also released in India mostly the third week of this March. So the expected price of this mobile will be around 52 to 57,000 rupees. So yeah, that's it for the video. If you like this video, hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. And if you are not already watched the Redmi K40 Pro features video, I will leave a link to that in the description box down below as well as here in this icon section, so you can watch it from there. So that's it for the video.